Possibilities are all around us. Everywhere we look, we see opportunity. We see potential in unexpected places. And when we share our knowledge, vision, and connections, we turn great ideas into action. In communities all around the world that we call home, like transferring an old bus to feed hungry children, or providing life-saving equipment to those who need it most. From fighting disease to rebuilding schools, together we can really make change happen. Because we are Rotary. We are people of action. Get involved today at rotary9820.org.au or get involved with District Youth Program MUNA at muna9820.org.au.